everybody. It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and John from Patricia's Art Emporium. Today we're working with canvases that are 12 by 12.
What the hell?
We just bought these new gloves, but...
Gloves work beautiful, don't they? But you gotta have little tiny hands or something.
Yeah, that's not looking so good. Oh, I just wanted to say that I got my OXO spatula. It's supposed to be for flip and fold. It's a flip and fold omelet turner, but I watch Priscilla Batzel's YouTube channel, and she swears by this, spreading your white on your canvas so that it looks nice and doesn't have any ripples. So I'm going to be interested to try this. But what I'm going to do today is I've seen other people use put Floetrol on the canvas before they start using their paint. So I figured I'd do an experiment with that and try that out and see what happens. John's gonna try to get the damn gloves on. That's the hard part of the whole thing. Yeah, I see that. I guess you need the expensive gloves. And...
I don't think so. This one's cutting off my circulation.
Okay, John's gonna do a flip cup, three
flip cups.
3 flip cup. I already poured all my paints into here, and I'm just gonna try to do some ring pours again, and hopefully they'll work this time. So let's get started. We'll let I'll go first because John's still pouring into his cups. Okay. So I'm gonna put the Floetrol.
Okay, camera's back on. Battery ran out.
Okay, it's back on. This is...
Don't know where it left off.
Yeah, we didn't get too far. Yep. No, that was a good deal there.
Oh, it's pretty.
Yep, another drop.
Try not to get near you.
Yeah, we gotta
We have to
arrange
change it
this
to
a bit better.
the long side if.
Yeah, if we're gonna do this size. Look at this, I got way too much stuff going on there. I put too much white again. Okay.
Lots of red.
Well, since I'm not that keen on this, I think I'm gonna try to use my base.
It's nice. You don't like it?
No.
What don't you like?
No, don't like it. It's all indented like and stuff. I don't understand
Oh,
why.
indented. What are you talking about?
See how it's all got divots in it?
Those are like cells, aren't they? Aren't they all cells?
I don't know.
Come around, take a look. Those are little oil bubbles.
I didn't put any oil in it.
Interesting.
There's deco art stuff in it. I don't know, it just looks like too many different things. I'm just gonna give it a shot back. Now?
All you're gonna make is mud. You're gonna mix the colors together, you're gonna have all mixed colors.
Oops. Alright.
You don't like it, wipe it off, start all over again. I don't know. I like it, but
I gotta get it.
I'm not a big fan of mine either. So
It's red, white, and blue.
we'll put it right in blue.
I don't know, maybe putting the Floetrol down as the thing wasn't the right thing to do. Well, you know, worst case is, if I end up I don't like it, I just, I can paint over it.
I don't see any orange in my picture. I use 3/4 of a cup of orange.
Really?
And then a little streak of orange right there. Yeah, this is like a hillside, looks like sky. It's cool. Looks like the sky up here, looks like a hill mountain here. Mountain up there, looks nice. I like yours a lot. Look at that nice little thing in there. Do you do any torching or no?
I did torch it, but
You did? Looks good.
I guess I'll torch a little more, see what happens.
Ready to go.
Did I hit yours?
No, you went along there and you drug your finger off the side there.
Oh, jeez. Well, I can fix that later. It's hard. There's two too close.
Yeah, we should have turned this thing out because it's longer than it is wide.
Yeah.
There's more room.
Well, guys, so what I did was I did put Floetrol down and use that as my base coat, like for the canvas. And the colors that I used were Apple Barrel Gloss Tangelo, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, that was gloss also, Apple Barrel Gloss Tropical Blue, Apple Barrel Dandelion Yellow, and Apple Barrel Pure Pink.
I use blue, orange, and red. Darker blue, lighter blue, and even a lighter blue. Orange, red, and a little white.
You can tell John's not happy with his. He doesn't really care if he tells you what he used or not.
That looks nice. I like that. Looks like the sky. I wish you could duplicate that. Let it come off.
You need to do yours again or no?
No, I think not.
You know, and then, like, you know, he thinks this one looks good, but, you never know when something dries. Sometimes you can have a surprise if something's good. Maybe with the Floetrol it gave me more cells, I guess. Looks like it, huh?
I don't know. Let me get over there and take a look.
Because I don't try to make cells, so it looks funny to me. I see little orange in yours, Jen. Just there, though. All right. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button and the like button. And check out our paintings that we have on eBay under johnhimm. Anything else I needed to say?
That's all.
No?
Have a great day.
Okay, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.